Yeah, there are days when it rains, and there are days when it is sunny. But this is poet Henry Wandsworth Longfellow's reflections on a rainy day. My recitation of The Rainy Day by Henry Wandsworth Longfellow. It rains, and the wind is never weary. The vine still clings to the mouldering wall, but at every gust the dead leaves fall, and the day is dark and dreary. My life is cold and dark and dreary. It rains, and the wind is never weary. My thoughts still cling to the mouldering past, but the hopes of youth fall thick in the blast, and the days are dark and dreary. Be still, sad heart, and cease repining. Behind the clouds is a sun still shining. The fate is a common fate of all. Into each life some rain must fall. Some days must be dark and dreary. Yes, unfortunately so. Thank you.